Alright guys, Chris here for another great break. 3 boxes of Topps Supreme. First off, thanks everybody. Second off, like I said in my last video, and for those of you who are new, I do a 10% plus eBay fee consignment deal. Any card that's pulled in this auction, you can consign with me to sell. I will sell it for a fee, which of 10%, and you have to pay the eBay fees, which is a really good deal. We've had a few people do it. We're still got a few more that's probably going to want to jump on board, hop on board. Please helps us build our seller feedback a lot higher for the more transactions we have. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start it off. Also, please like and subscribe to this video. First off, Robert Mano, appreciate it, man. Lions, Broncos, Bengals, 49ers, Titans, Falcons, Browns, Colts, Cardinals, Dolphins. MK Snicker 2010, Cowboys, Bears. M. Farkovitz, appreciate it, man. Jets, Rams, Chargers, Eagles, Ravens. The Avengeful One, Redskins, Texans, Bucks, Raiders. Will C. Danny, Chiefs, Jags. K21 Pollock, Bills, Buttersville, Giants. Holtz _Tom, Packers, US 2015 Saints. Looking for cheap deals, Steelers, Patriots. VMark 1230, Seahawks. Hyder 1981, Panthers, and Vikings 3. Got the Vikings. Thanks everybody. Really do appreciate it. Oh, also, me and a buddy who's bought some of my breaks, who lives locally, we are going together to start a new eBay. He's been an eBay seller for a little bit. He doesn't have much feedback, but he's been on there a lot longer. Therefore, we can list more items. I've been having that problem on my eBay to where we can only list so many items per month. But he can make it where we can list more. So he's gonna go in. I'll send y'all the link. Hopefully y'all will buy from us again. I'm working on getting everybody who comes back a real special treat. So please keep buying and I will get back with y'all. Here we go. Alright. First one. Oh, it fell over again. Alright, guys. I don't cut myself. Alright, pulling the first two from the back first. We got a Roddy White out of 99. We have a Cam Newton out of 144. Next, we have a Joe Flacco out of 162. And then the final hit is a Mike Evans out of 25 out of 25. eBay 1-on-1. Alright, for the back, we got a Colin Kaepernick, numbered out of 144. We have a Dez Bryant, numbered out of 50 for the Cowboys. We have a Ryan Matthews, numbered 162 for the Chargers. Last but not least, we have a Sammy Watkins for the Bills, numbered 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Nice little hit. All right. Then last but not least, back to the front first. We got an Eric Ebron, tight end for the Lions out of 144. We have a LaShawn McCoy out of 99. We have a Jordan Matthews out of 162. Last but not least, very nice hit, Jadeveon Clowney and DeAndre Hopkins. And this card is numbered out of 15. 6 out of 15. Very nice hit for the Texans. Again, guys, appreciate it. I'll be sending everybody a link to our next break, since we will be swapping eBays over. I hope you decide to join us next time. And like I said, I'm working on something for those who return to buy with me again. So I appreciate it. Video will be linked. The video will be uploaded tonight. Hopefully y'all get the link tonight. If not, y'all will get it in the morning. Y'all see this on Monday. And also, cards should be shipped within the morning to afternoon tomorrow, if not early Tuesday morning. But thanks, everybody. Appreciate it.